Here's how to add a bank account on Robinhood. So first we're going to need to go to our account drop-down. Inside of there, you'll see investing. When we click on that, we're going to be on this page here, and you're going to find a tab up here at the top that says transfers. So if you click on transfers and scroll down, you can actually add or link bank accounts. And so you see I have a bank account linked right here that's been verified. We can go here and click add new account, and we can link either a debit card or a bank account. You can ignore some of the numbers that you see on the screen here. I have a lot of numbers that are hidden on the browser, and so everything looks like 5s and 0s. But we're going to click on this bank account right here, and then it's going to take us to basically using Plaid to connect a bank account. So once you enter in your phone number and continue, or you can continue as a guest, you can choose your bank. And so let's say it's Bank of America, for instance. You click on Bank of America and you go to log in. And basically you're going to log in and choose the account that you want to link. And that's how you can link a bank account or add a bank account on Robinhood.